Good morning. How are you? So right now I am in Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia, a Southeast Asia. Um, so you see the view, the fantastic view, because there is a garden and the lake, the big buildings. It's quite romantic place. Moreover, today what I am going to talk about one issue which yesterday I learned. The issue is using the uh, Grab. Like in India, we have the Uber, and somewhere other countries they have other type of electronic system, that app, and through the app you can book your taxi to go one place to another place. If you are inside in your city, it's a little bit easy that you know the street, you know the name of the bus stand, you know the name of the shop, it's a little bit easy to do booking. Yes. Uh, but if you are in new place where it is written in different language, then it is very bit difficult uh, because you cannot read. Means you see the board, it is written something like yesterday. What happened that mm, I reach a bus stand. I understand that this is a bus stand, and there was a board, and it was written something there. It will be the name of the bus stand. It will be. Then I decided to do a booking uh, using the app Grab. Grab is famous for, I think there is two uh, app that is famous in this area um, for booking the taxi. So I open my application and then I start to look where means I knew the name of the hotel, so I immediately searched the name of the hotel. Then I selected that ubication is location where I'm standing. Then suddenly the GPS was showing, oh, okay, you are here. Then later on, it is showing someone as some other place. Some it became very complicated because you cannot trust too much on the GPS because like day before yesterday, j- when I did booking, it showed me that you have to walk for 10 minutes to reach where the taxi will pick up you. I said, but I enter from current location. Why should I have to walk 10 minutes or 2 minutes or whatever? Why should I have to walk? But that is the pickup point. They will pick you there. So that's so yesterday when I faced this problem, then I started to talk a, because I was at a location where there was no one. It was I don't see anyone. I didn't see anyone. Okay, there was some hotels and totally without no man area like okay, there was no one. Then I saw the guard of the hotel. He was walking. I asked him that um, what is the name of this place, because I have to include in this app, so that the taxi can and then I can do booking, and then taxi can come to pick me. So he said me, means he started to look my app, and then he said, yes, this is the name of the bus stand, but it will be good to put the name of the hotel. Well, this is a good idea. So I immediately I saw the board of the name of the hotel. I put there the name of the hotel, and I did booking. So if you're traveling somewhere, means somewhere in the world, and you are in a bus stand or on the street, or you are in a village, or you are in a place where um, you are facing difficulty to do booking, mm, of the taxi or bus, whatever booking of the transportation if you want to do, and you don't know where you are. You exactly don't know where you are, and also you don't find people. Uh, um, you don't find to peoples to consult with them. So what if you have to do? You have to look a hotel. Say some, sure you will find some hotel or name of the bar or something, or name of the shop, mm, or something. You will miss hotel. I think is much easier. So just put the name of the hotel, which is close to your location where you are standing, and then you can write the name of your hotel, the destination where you want to go. And it seems to me it is much easier, because earlier, like day before yesterday, also I was doing. I couldn't understand, because the ubication. I said that my current place where I'm standing, then it was saying no, you have to walk for because the car cannot, they cannot park the car, or they cannot stop the car there. Mm. And you don't know which side you have to go. Like I started to walk in opposite side the day before yesterday, and then suddenly I look again on my mobile phone and about which side I'm moving on the GPS for GPS to do concerning with GPS. I saw that I'm moving in opposite side. Then I returned back. I returned again on this place. Then I, so uh, and one more problem I was having. The problem was the battery of my mobile phone. So my mobile phone was always saying that it will close anytime. So I was really in pressure in that time that suppose the taxi driver will reach there, and if he didn't find you, if he did not find, he did not find you, what he will do? He will call through app on your number to know exactly where you are, and your mobile phone is off. Hmm. This happened on the first day. On the first day when I arrived here, um, I was not having internet connection, and my mobile phone was there was no internet connection in my mobile phone. I was having app, but there were no connections. So it was difficult to me to to do a booking of the taxi. Then I started to talk with the peoples. Then there was one guy. He said, "Okay, don't worry, I can help you." Then he taught me, means he connected my, I don't know how he did. He just transferred some data from his mobile to my mobile. Then he said, now we can do using the Grab. I said, okay. Mm, then he did the booking for me. You and and suddenly my mobile phone said there is no more. I mean, it's off. It become off, and my mobile is off. So I did not know uh, when the taxi will reach here, would reach here. I was waiting. Then 20 minutes gone, 30 minutes gone. I said, "This is because there because at that place because that was the central station. So there was so many traffic, so many cars, and so many foreigners were there. So maybe the taxi has arrived, but he has called me, but my mobile phone was off, so he didn't able to locate me and pick me. And yesterday I paid 3 ringgit, the money of this country, uh, as a penalty. And I no day before yesterday. Yesterday I come to know this because day before yesterday I paid um, 27 ringgit. Then no 34 ringgit. Then the driver asked me, "You have to pay 3 ringgit more." So it was difficult to communication because the drivers. It's okay, no problem. We can. Mm. So driver told me you have to pay 3 ringgit more. So I pay him 27. Then yesterday, the taxi driver was more fluent. He knew more words of the English. So and he charged me only 17 ringgit, and which I have seen on the screen during the booking. So I asked him why you didn't ask me for 3 ringgit, because yesterday the driver asked me more money. Then he explained me, maybe you had booked a taxi and you missed the taxi, or you took another transportation without canceling the booking, and that's why they had fined you. I said, okay, I come to know today. so, so overall, which I learned yesterday evening, and which I'm going to apply from today, is at night when I have to do booking of the taxi, I'm going to look a hotel. Then I will write the name of the hotel in the booking system, that the driver has to come, the taxi has to come there to pick me, and the name of my own hotel destination. I know that. This I learned. Yes, we have to learn many things. Thank you. Bye bye.